Morocco and China signed on Wednesday the convention relating to the joint implementation plan of the Belt and Road between the two countries, during a ceremony organized by a video conference. This convention aims to promote access to Chinese financing provided by the Belt and Road Initiative for the realization of large-scale projects in Morocco or for the facilitation of trade in various fields, like industrial parks, energies, including renewable energies. The agreement also covers cooperation in research and development, and technological and technical cooperation, as well as vocational training. The Chinese government undertakes, under this agreement, to encourage large Chinese companies to set up and invest in Moroccan territory, like the automotive industry, aeronautics, high-tech and e-commerce, agricultural industry, and textiles. Since its launch, Morocco has been the first country in Africa to join the BRI. This signature, therefore, bears witness to the significant presence of China in Morocco and the good relations between the two countries in economy, culture, health, security, etc.